Hey guys, welcome to the Hennasooq channel where we talk about henna hair color, Ayurvedic healthy hair care with me, Khadija, leading the way with new recipes and hair challenges and reaction videos. And we're always having fun, and we're going to be getting into something a little extra special today using the Ayurvedic hair oil. So this is a brand new Ayurvedic hair oil that we recently created and has 10 Ayurvedic herbs infused into this oil in a base of sesame oil. And it's amazing for creating and promoting longer, stronger hair, especially at the roots and for the scalp, for all hair textures, all hair types, and definitely an extra special shout out for those who have protective styles and locks and just want something soothing on their scalp. This oil is for that. It works amazing for that. Whereas I found that not everyone gets as much moisture as they need out of this particular oil as opposed to some other oils that might work a little better for you. That's okay, because it can be used in different ways and you have to use it in the way that works best for your hair. So what I recommend specifically when you're using it as a leave-in, to definitely do it on damp hair strands and then a water-based conditioner to lock in all that moisture. If not, you might need to use on damp hair strands water-based conditioner first and then lock it in with oil. So those are two different methods known as LCO and LOC, different ways that you can lock in moisture for your hair. And again, it does vary person to person. You gotta give it some trial and error and see which method works best for you. And if you find that there's still not enough moisture and it's not working, then these next ways on using the Ayurvedic hair oil will be really good for you. One of the best ways you can get that hair growth is to focus on your scalp and your roots. Like a tree, you want everything to grow and flourish and be full and rich, right? So what you can do is definitely put this on as an overnight oiling treatment. Just put a small amount. So small amount, meaning you start with a dime amount at a time. It's about a dime. And you spread it throughout your whole hand like that. And it smells invigorating. Gingery, spicy. It's a nice combination oil for promoting your hair to grow and stimulating roots, right at the scalp. So once you spread it throughout your hand, then you spread it through your hair. Do it by sections. Make sure you get it into your scalp. Give it a good massage as well. Like, try to spend at least 5 minutes doing a really gentle massage all over your scalp. You may want to brush it through. If you're gentle enough, you might not have to brush it through, but definitely make sure that everything is flowing in the same direction. You're not making and creating any extra tangles. If you want to use a little bit of water, you can use a spritz bottle and definitely add a little moisture there. Not too much, because you want to focus on the oil and you don't want to dilute it and stretch it out too much. And then, wrap everything up. Maybe do twists, braids, ponytail, do something, a bit of a bun, whatever you're comfy sleeping on. Wrap it up really gently and then, and go to sleep. And in the morning is when you're going to wash it out. So if your hair has been really feeling like it's been on the dry side, I would recommend you use a cleansing co-wash from us to restore and wash everything out. The shikakai powder will take everything out really nicely. That's if you feel that you've been very, very, very dry. Definitely use the cleansing co-wash. It's so restorative with moisture. Another great way to use the Ayurvedic hair oil is to add it to one of your delicious hair recipes. One of your DIY Ayurvedic herbal recipes, clays, anything and everything, even hair color. You can add a small amount to your recipe, just as so. If you're using, let's say, a whole package, for example, 100 grams, then you probably are going to want to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and then mix it in really well. When it gets so smooth and creamy, And that's all you really need. If you haven't subscribed to our channel as yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell so you get notified for more great videos, recipes, and all that good stuff. So yeah, just keep mixing that really, really well. Ooh, look at that. It's pretty thick. I might let it sit so it can relax a little bit longer. It's still a little bit too thick. Maybe a little bit more oil, you know, just a tiny bit, but mostly I'll probably use more of the warm hot distilled water. You can add even coconut milk, you can add yogurt, whatever your hair loves. Ooh, even honey, just to give it a little bit more moisture slip and nutrients and just deliciousness, you know? These are the best ways that you can use the Ayurvedic hair oil. I actually have a bonus way for you. Yes, I do. I got a bonus for you. All you have to do is click that link in the bio, and I got a special little surprise for you on using the Ayurvedic hair oil that you're absolutely going to love. Maybe I'll give you a hint. It's oh, I can't tell you. You gotta click the link in the bio. Then you'll find out how to use. Oh, and I got another little recipe for you guys. You're gonna love it. So, and let me know how it's going. I want to hear about your hair results. I want to know how it's going. Do you have another way that you love to use this? Share the details. Don't keep it to yourself. Share it with us. And I want to thank you all for tuning in with me here at Hennasooq. You know I love making these videos. You know I love spending time with you guys. If you haven't seen that live with the 30-day hair challenge, don't forget to go watch it because you need to be part of this 30-day hair challenge. We will see you next time. Bye.